Welcome to day 22 of our 30 days AI automation challenge. So, what are we going to be doing today? It's a combination of many things. We are not going to be doing something really new today. I want to introduce us to what we will be working with tomorrow and then answer some of the questions that I've been receiving on Telegram and Facebook and everywhere. So, the first thing that I need you to do today is to go to antigravity.google. I will be showing us how to use this particular tool to build a UI for our workflow, to build a user interface for our workflow, because it has provision for the n8n MCP. So we will be trying to use it to build something and then connect it to our workflow. I know a lot of us are having issues with manuals. We will try and do that with this. So go to antigravity.google, then you can download the version for your computer system. If you're using Mac, there is a Mac version, there is a Windows version, there is a Linux version. So when you download this is what you're going to get. You're going to get anti-gravity. So what is anti-gravity and why are we going to be using this? Google recently released anti-gravity, and you can use it to build application. You can easily use it to connect to different MCPs. You can use it to get different installations from extensions. You can connect everything here and build your application here inside Antigravity. So I need you to download it and install it. So when it opens up like this, you can create a folder, you open a folder, give it a name, and then your project will now live inside that folder. I will not do that today. Like I said, we'll be doing that tomorrow. And you are not going to be writing code. I mean, when you are building your application, you will just be having conversations with it here. You will type out your conversations and then you watch it build what you want it to build. So on my left hand side there, you have the Explorer to explore what you already have on it. You can create a new folder and put everything there. You can search, code search. You can check out the source control. There is run and debug in case you've got errors in what it's building for you. You also have these extensions. So this is like an app store or play store for different extensions that you can connect and use on anti-gravity. Don't worry, we're not writing codes. I'm not turning you to devs overnight. You will just be clicking and dragging and writing your instructions in natural language. So that's what you'll be using it. So it has all these that you can use. If you're over here also, you have the editor here where you can check up the various settings here and say you want to use it to do something. Like I said, I will not be jumping into an anti-gravity today. I just need to install it, and we'll be using it like this. So I just typed something and it is building an application for me. That's what we want to do. And the reason why I want us to use anti-gravity is because of the MCP stores, model control protocol, and you have that of n8n. You can connect your n8n to anti-gravity so that the UI you are building for your workflow will be able to work seamlessly, unlike when we try to use manual. So download anti-gravity. That's the first thing that I need you to do today. The second thing I want to talk to you about is you have all the help you need. Okay, I mentioned that you have this n8n AI here. In case you are building a workflow and you're experiencing error, you can come in here and just chat with it and it will provide you solutions to your problem. That's one way. Another way is they've recently added this chat here, which is quite different from this one. So if you come to the chats here, you can chat with your workflows. I'll say that again. You can chat with your workflows. All the workflows that you've built, you can chat with it. You can also ask it questions as if you are inside ChatGPT or any other model here. You can ask it question, explain nodes in n8n. You can do all this here. You can create personal agent, workflow agents that you want to deploy in multiple projects. You can do that here. So you've got the helps that you need. You've got all the help that you need here. See, I said explain nodes in anything, then I have it here, just the regular chat. And when you are chatting too, you can specifically mention the tool that you want to use. And you've got personal agents here too. So you can create personal agents that you can deploy in many projects. You can create workflow agents that you can deploy in any of your projects. So this is another way to get help when you get stuck. The other one that I created for us on GPT, is top n8n agent. You can search for it in ChatGPT's GPT. You've got this there. Ask it any question. Do a screenshot of your problem and put it there, then it will respond to you. For those of you that are saying my n8n cloud has expired, I've said that before. I even warned us before the expiration of the 14 days that you can either make payments, and make your account permanent, or you sign up using another mail. The thing is, you must have downloaded all your existing workflows so that you can upload them or import them to your new account. So that's how you go about it. I deliberately did not want to add something else again because I know some of us still have backlogs of lessons to learn. So let's use today, let's complete everything we need to do. Let us download and install Google Antigravity before tomorrow so that by the time we start, you will be able to kind of use it and follow the class. So this is what we are going to be doing today. Just play catch up with everything that we've done so far, and I'll see you tomorrow.